Madam! Madam! I'm
coming.
I beg, come.
Customer. Hi, customer.
How much is your money?
It's 800.
For the two?
Yes.
800?
Yes. My customer.
Just keep the change, okay?
Ah, thank you.
Let her see, yeah?
Customer.
Mom, this is getting serious. Let's call the family doctor before things get out of hand. Can't you see? Dad is running temperature. Let's do something. At least let's call our family doctor, please. I beg you.
What is wrong with you?
Why are you talking like that? Have you forgotten who this man is again? He's pretending. When somebody is sick like this, the person is stiff and his eyes are closed. This one, look at the way he's shining his eyes. I'm not showing you another affair. Please don't look at me, Biko.
Well, such a wonderful actor, I must confess.
When he's done acting, he should remain like this. For all I care, he should die. Let him die. Instead of him to be bedridden, it's not better for him to die and go and rest in peace?
Mom!
What is that?
What are you saying, Mom?
Why are you turning into this? Really live our daughter? Are you developing a soft spot for this evil man? This man is wicked and deserves nothing but wickedness. In fact, I want wickedness and you can be the in fact, when people are done with all this your shenanigans, meet me downstairs. I'm out of here. Excuse me, I'm out of this rubbish place.
You never cheat on Chin. Eh? You never cheat on Chin. Comedian. Kevin Hart. Short king. Mother, let me join you, Biko.
Are you still here?
Sis, please. Let's help Dad. Can't you see? This is a sign of stroke.
Master, my child. I am not a doctor either. Excuse me.
Oh my God, what do I do? Dad? What did you say? Dad, what did you say? Please talk to me.
Help me.
Help you.
Help me.
Daddy, please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, please, Daddy. Don't do this to me.
Fighting all the time. Now who go be the heir to the throne? Now who go be the heir to the throne? Now who go be the heir to the throne? Can fighting solve this problem? Now who go be the heir to the throne? Who go be the heir? Now who go be the heir to the throne? Now who go be the heir to the throne? Let you go when any farmer go.
My prince. My prince. What is it?
Huh? Uncle, I can't get through to my father, which is a problem.
Oh, my prince, don't be upset. Eh? Maybe it's a network problem. You don't have to worry yourself. Eh? And my prince, you see, some days are like that. You have to take everything very easy. Take everything very easy. It's well with us. Prince Ikem.
Is he dead? Omungo?
No, he's not dead yet. But he's struggling to die. And oh no, is that the best option?
As you can see, we are left with no other option. This is the best way to go about it. That man is very wicked. Very wicked and smart. Very wicked.
I am with that man. His heart is dark.
You're supposed to be dead. Aye.
Mana, no. What if people find out what I did? What if someone is seeing us now? They will say I killed my husband. They will say I killed the king.
Just come out of that place. Nobody will say anything. Your secrets are safe with me. In wearing so worry not. And besides, you know he is always suffering from stroke. So nobody is going to point any accusing finger to anyone. So don't bother yourself.
I'm happy you know. He's always sick.
Very
Tell
always
him. Look at the way he's looking.
He's supposed to be dead or come go.
So what next now?
Is the prince back?
No, he's not back yet.
It's alright. I am having a little challenge. Ichenduka.
What is it again?
Ichenduka.
What about him?
Ichenduka is proving stubborn, forming hard to get. He doesn't want to come over to our own side. I believe he's afraid of this wicked man, the king.
Silence him or remove him. Of course. Take him away. Remove him, even if possible, kill him. We don't have much time.
He is better dead. You are very intelligent. I trust you. So, how are we going to...
I'm here for you. Just small time now. Give me. I'll just sneak into you. That's our rendezvous.
Mother, I can't wait to be crowned. I will rule this kingdom with iron fist.
Get married first. That's what you should be talking about.
What are you talking about, Mother? I want this kingdom to have swag. Anybody with Joes go collect woto. Who they breathe now? Very soon.
Mom,
What is it?
the family doctor is here. I do not know who called him.
What are you talking about? Where is she?
She's right inside the palace attending to the king.
What do you mean she's right inside the palace attending to the king? How did she get in here for the
Don't be asking that.
The doctor is here.
Tell me.
How?
Doctor, who is my father? Is he going to be fine?
This is very serious. He's down with stroke and he needs to be rushed to the hospital.
He goes nowhere. Yes! My husband is not going anywhere. Doctor, how did you get into the palace, let alone into the king's room? What are you doing here?
Mom, I was the person that called her. I did. I called her to come over because Daddy's sickness is serious. I made sure I sneaked her into this palace without everybody seeing her.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. You did what? You have chosen to be my enemy. And I will treat you as such. I don't spare my enemies.
Madam, what wrong did she do? She's only trying to save your husband's life.
Hey, doctor, it's okay. All right? Calm. Take it easy. This is a family issue. And you are a family doctor. So tell me, how is he and what did you discover?
He is down with stroke and this time is very, very serious. He needs to be rushed to the hospital.
Oh, I see. Yes. The thing is that he is on traditional medication, herbs. So let's just watch him. At least give him like 2 or 3 days and see how he will react to it. But if the condition is still the same, then I personally will bring him to your hospital. Okay?
Your father needs medical attention. He needs to be taken to the hospital.
Doctor, why are you sounding like this?
Anyways, If that is the case, I will leave. If anything goes wrong, I will sure report this to the police.
Doctor, listen, you are a family doctor. You don't need to be harsh. We are all cool here. So you take it easy. Calm down. You don't need to call police on this case. Alright? This is a royal household. Alright. Like I said, I will bring him to the hospital if he's still reacting to
Why don't
to this.
we just allow her take him to the hospital, you know?
Right? What are we waiting for? You see? My sister said we should take him to the hospital.
The doctor, when you give people drugs, don't you write there or tell them if this symptom persists for after 2 days, you can consult your doctor. Why don't you allow him to persist after 2 days? You can come consult him.
He needs medical attention. He needs to be taken to the hospital.
We are taking him to the hospital already.
Okay, fine. You know what? Enough of the argument. I'll just tell the guards to get the cars ready, okay?
Right away. So we are bringing him to the hospital. That's right. Oh, it's okay, sister. You stop crying, alright? Mother just gave an instruction and you disobeyed her. Stop crying. Brighten up, huh? You're not an idiot.
Doctor, please.
It's okay. Your father...
Do everything in your power to save my father.
Your father will be fine. He will be fine.
What happened? What happened to you? You used to be a strong girl.
Sis, honestly, the truth be told, I do not have any plan with anybody whatsoever to kill my father. Even God in heaven will never forgive me.
And you think I or DK or even mother is going to forgive you for this betrayal of yours? You've got something else coming around. That's a promise.
You should be a role model, not otherwise. The palace is on fire. Obvious, Saloma, Muyagoku, who is behind this year? The palace is on fire. Obvious, Saloma, under the nose of our queen. The palace is on fire.
There's something seriously fishy in that palace. And Prince Ikem is nowhere to be found.
I see. Don't worry, my princess. Huh? You see, it was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. You know? Usual thing. It was bound to happen.
You mean you know about it? And you didn't even care to avert it?
Huh. My princess, to avert the will of the gods, it's like to challenge the gods. This is part of his destiny. This is part of Ikem's destiny. Huh? You see, what is happening now in that palace can unite or destroy the palace. But there is nothing to worry about. Ikem will arrive before sunset tomorrow. Huh? Let's see how prepared he is to face all this. Let's see.
Is that all you have to say?
Can you say
Why then are you his friend?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe him more and I try to go come. You know, it's not for Ghana people. These are, you know, spiritual matters. Though you're a princess. Huh?
I am highly disappointed in both of you. How dare you? I pay you both in this palace to protect me at this gate. I give you food, shelter. Yet, the simple thing I ask of you, you can't do it. How dare you allow a total stranger, a useless girl that calls herself the family doctor, into this palace? Huh?
My friend, nobody entered inside this compound today.
Will you shut up your stupid mouth? What do you mean nobody entered this palace? Am I blind? Or are you indirectly calling me a liar? Are you calling me a liar?
Sorry, my prince.
Hey, you, shut up! Am I not paying both of you in this palace? Huh? Am I paying both of you or not?
You are paying.
Anybody that is coming in here, you should let me know first before allowing that idiot or any idiot into this palace. Who allowed her enter this palace? Who allowed her enter into this palace?
My prince, nobody entered inside this palace since morning. No.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Hey. Keep quiet. You, pump your jaw. Pump your jaw. Give him a resounding slap. Give him a resounding slap. Right now. Slap him. Hey, you, pump your jaw. I said, pump your stupid jaw. You, design his face with a slap. Give him a slap offering. Idiot. You, pump your jaw. Pump your jaw, my friend. My friend, will you stand up? Both of you have to be serious in this palace. I didn't call you fools to come here and misbehave. You're here on a mission. Protect me and my family. Do not behave like shenanigans and fools in this palace. Pump your jaw, my friend. Pump your jaw. Give him a slap. Right now. Slap him. If possible, slap him to death. You turn your back. Turn your back. Don't waste enough time. My friend, will you turn your useless back? Design his back with your 5 fingers. Pump his back. Pump his back. With your both of you go down. Knee down. Knee down.
Sorry, my prince.
Knee down, my friend. Listen to me. This is the last time this rubbish will repeat itself in this palace. Am I understood?
Yes, my prince.
Am I understood?
Yes, my prince.
If you allow anybody into this palace without my permission, consider yourselves dead. Pump your jaw. Pump your jaw.
Why you slap me? Why you slap me? Yeah, because of that.
Now.
This is just the beginning. You see, their plan to kill the king will not happen.
I'm so scared. Prince Ikem is nowhere to be found. Things might go wrong before he returns.
This has already gone wrong. In the less than 3 days he left this palace. I just pray that the king survive this and torture them and deal with them for their evil deeds. So we'll now go to the market now.
Queen demands your presence now.
Me?
The two of you.
Did you do anything?
He left this village in a good health, and he will return in a good health too.
You're talking as if you don't know the game. The queen and her children are up to something.
Something like what?
I don't know, but the silence in that palace shows that something is going on.
Maybe he has accepted his defeat and left in peace, never to come back.
That means we are all in a serious trouble. If Prince Dike finally become the king, which I'm not praying for, some people in this village will live in fear.
People like who? I don't have any business with royalty.
Neither do I. I'm only concerned because this is our village.
Okay. Yes.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
Father. Uncle. Uncle.
Tochi. 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 Please wake up. Queen sends for you.
Any kind of be our queen. You should be a role model, not otherwise. The palace is on fire. Obvious as a lover. Who is behind this year? The palace is on fire, Obvious as a lover. Under the nose of our queen. The palace is on fire, Obvious as a lover. Who is behind this year? The palace is on fire, Obvious as a lover. Under the nose of our queen. The palace is on fire, Obvious as a lover. Who is behind this year? The palace is on fire, Obvious as a lover. It's on fire under the nose of our queen. Oh my queen, why are you fighting this? Stop fighting what you cannot fight. You know, go, be careful.
Finally, you made it.
Hold it there. One more step from you, I will ask my boys to blow off your head.
Have you lost your sense of respect? What is the meaning of this?
Did I just hear you say respect? If anyone should be respected here, that is not you. That should be my son, because he is the true son of his father and the only prince of this kingdom. I say respect. Let's go to one boost so they could respect.
I'm here to see my father, the king. Where is he?
You cannot see anybody. You cannot enter this palace. And you cannot make a move. Listen to me, boy. This is a new era. Everything has changed. You are looking at the real Isiaka of this kingdom. Ask about me. I am the real Abia State first son, the true prince of this land. So my advice to you is this. Turn around and leave this palace this minute before I do something crazy. You know me too well, right?
Listen, I don't have time for this childish drama. Can I see my father, the king? Enough of all this.
This is your useless bag. You cannot see anybody. Huh? You think I'm joking with you? You think I am joking with you? Nauga, are you still there? Match this imposter out. Rip everything he's on. Take off this crown from his head. At the count of 3. 1. I said, take off this crown, take off the bead, take off everything and take the car keys right now. Take off that crown. Take it off.
The bead.
No,
Bring it here.
Right now.
Everything.
This is the new era. Are you wasting time? When I speak, you follow up. Follow up. Follow up, my friend.
One on his hand and give it to me.
You are joking with me, my friend. Bring this thing. Sharp. Pull off his sleeve. Commit the car keys. Commit it. Now, move this man out of this palace. Bundle. I will do this thing myself. No. I will do it so bad. Bundle him out. Are you still there looking at me? My friend, move this nonsense back. Move it. Move it. Out. Are you looking at me? Are you looking at him? Move this madman out. I don't want to see you in this palace again. Move him out. Move him out. Imposter. Imposter. I do not want to see you ever in this palace again. Lock this gate. Stupid. 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 palace. What is the meaning of this? Push him out and you are wasting time. If this thing happens again, I will deal with you. Push him out, push him out, push him out. Bring all these things. Bring them inside. Bring them inside.
Good, that's the bad rubbish.
We will see if we want this now. Bring them inside. Nonsense. If I ever see him here again, I will deal with both of you. Am I understood?
Yes, boss.
Am I understood?
Yes.
Push him out. Okay. Push him out. Okay. Push him out.
Okay. I'm going to send them.
Who amongst you
gave the gatekeeper food yesterday? I mean my food. Who gave him my food to eat? Like you didn't hear me. If you make me repeat myself, you all will suffer for this singular act. Who?
My queen, I did.
Step out.
I come with my question again. Who gave him juice while he was eating my food?
I knew it. You? Will you step out, you dilapidated millipede?
Centipede. Lie down and face the sky. On your back, facing the sky. Silly.
Mom?
I gave her the juice to serve to the gatekeeper.
No, my queen. She knew nothing about it.
Mother, please do not mind her. She's just trying to cover up for them, please.
No, sis. I'm saying the truth, Mom. Yes, I gave them the juice too. I even drugged it, so she knows nothing about it. Please, spare her. I can't watch her pay for my sins. That's not nice. Really? Yes, Mom. I am happy to hear this. A Messiah is here to pay for your sins. But you know you will not go scot-free. Every sin has a reward. Guards!
Yes, my queen.
Bond her. Lock her up in that room. Take her now! Take her! Why are you begging her? Bond her, I say!
You remain like this. If you do as much as moving an inch from this place, you will have your destiny adjusted. Do I make myself clear? Get up from here, you will have your destiny.
What's behind this?
Oh, please, I'm begging you. Don't do this to me. Oh, what are you doing? I'm begging you. Please don't do this to me. You will remain in this place until you come back to your senses. Mommy, please.
Not touch you.
You of all people.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, please don't do this. Give me everything. I bought it with my money. Hence you're my enemies. You cannot use what belongs to me. Give it to me. Mommy, please, I'm begging you. You're calling me mommy. When you were sabotaging me, what were you thinking? Give me everything. Hurry up, you're wasting my time. Mommy, please. I dropped it. This to me. Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
Trying to go for a maid.
rebelling against your mother and you're supporting them. Hurry up, hurry up. I'll slap you. The one in your ear? The one in your neck?
Mommy, please don't do this to me. Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
You love your father. You love your father, didn't you? Do it for him.
Mommy, please.
Oh, your allegiance to your father. Give me the one in your neck.
I can't remove it.
You cannot remove it. Give me your belt.
Please, can you help me?
Are you crazy? Are you sick of the head?
Give me the shoe first. What is your problem?
Mommy, please don't do this. Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
I'm holding about. Pick it and give it to me.
Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
Give me the belt. Hand me the belt fast.
I'm so disappointed.
Terrible idiot.
Mommy, please, don't
touch me. Don't touch me.
Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
When you're done with her, lock the door and tell you.
I'm begging you. Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Mommy, please don't do this to me. Mommy!
What's behind this
So all these things happened within this short period I left.
My prince, even the one we are yet to know. A lot happened though. My prince, even more than we are yet to find out. Huh? I told you to get prepared. The war has started. Agumba,
I'm confused. What am I supposed to do now? I can't even think straight.
My prince, at this point in time, you need alliance. Yes, alliance. Those people who are in support of the king, you need them beside you now. My prince, things have gone beyond expectations. And if you don't handle it carefully, it will tear this kingdom apart. I'm a Menji. You need alliance.
Agumba the Great.
My prince.
The fact that I have been taking things easy does not mean I cannot be dangerous when triggered. I am only respecting my father's reputation, which took him years to build. If not, in all ramifications of life, DK is someone I can crush anytime, any day. So he shouldn't see the other side of me.
You're right. Who is DK? I don't want you to kill an ass with a sledgehammer. He's a nobody.
Now tell me, is my father dead?
The king? Dead? Not possible. No. Far from that. The king is alive. Just that he's responding to treatment in the hospital. Nothing has happened to the king. Other than the women, he's fine. Helen had you. Yes.
I told you that a tree cannot make a forest. Can never make a forest. He is close to his grave. He will soon fall.
Oh no. I'm surprised how you were able to do this thing single-handedly.
You see, one thing about life is determination. Once you are determined and focused to achieve something, you will definitely achieve it. You will have it done.
Yes. Oh no. Now our king is half dead. I think you're supposed to go closer to the throne.
We are taking in the same direction. We are taking in the same direction. In fact, narrator. Hey, yes, I am supposed to do so, but I am doing it with caution. I am treading with caution because of that evil woman, the queen, and the son. I want the king to be confirmed dead then I'm going to use his death against them. I will make sure they are banished and sent to prison. With that, the entire kingdom will be left with no other option than to usher me into the throne. And the throne will become mine. That's a good one. How about Prince Ikem? Prince Ikem. He is gone. He's not coming back again. My only problem is my daughter who refused to follow my advice.
Oh no, you know, children of nowadays, you can't predict them. But all the same, I can't wait to see myself sit beside you as you know who help you of this trouble.
You already there. You already do.
Oh, where?
The only thing there we just say
because I can't wait. I can't wait. Huh? Oh no, who of Obodai?
Drink.
Hey,
you already do know.
Hey, yes.
Collectively.
Oh no,
you will be.
Oh no, it's you. Oh no. Hey. Hey.
I can't wait.
I can't wait.
You already there.
I'm telling you.
Hey.
Yeah.
You must do it.
No, Father, I won't do it.
Listen, let me tell you. You must do it. You must do it.
Father, I will not do what you are.
Yala, are you mad? Udoka, are you mad? Udoka, I gave birth to you. I raised you. I trained you. I was the one that sent you to school. So I know what is good for you. You must do what I asked you to do.
Father,
Else,
Father, I won't do it.
Then consider yourself an enemy. Consider yourself as one, and I will not hesitate to treat you as one.
Father, I don't love Prince Ikem. I don't love Prince Ikem. It's Prince Ikem I love. Father, let me love who I want to love. Father, I'm begging you, please.
It's not love. I said it that you are mad. I said it that you are mad. What you are talking is arrant nonsense. Hey, I said it. My enemies are there. My enemies have succeeded in distracting you. Sometimes I wish your mother is even alive. Let me ask her if actually I am the one that gave birth to you. Because the blood that is running in my vein, I don't think if it is the same thing that is running in your vein. Love died many years ago before you were born. What is in existence now is game. You play the game. What interests you, what will benefit you. That is where you should be, not where you are saying you want to be. How can I be telling you something and you are talking a different thing or some love? Love again it. Can you imagine? I sent you on a mission. Instead of you to do what I said you should do, you are doing contrary. You are going contrary. You went there to fall in love. To fall in love. And did I ask you to go and fall in love? Listen, let me tell you, love died many years ago, even before you were born. What is in existence now is game. Game of interest, game of benefit. Anywhere that you belong, that your interest and your benefit is not granted, you get out from there. I know what is the best. I know what is best for you. And that is why I sent you there to do what I said you will do. And that is what you must do.
Father, I won't do it. Father, I won't do it. I won't be a party to what you are planning to do. Father, I won't. Father, let me love who I want to love.
Love who I am. If not that I gave birth to you, I will just strangle you. Eh? In fact, do you know that the God that created you, in fact, all my loss, sending you to school was a very big mistake on my own side. Just imagine. I am telling you what is good for you, and you are here choosing something else that will not benefit your life. If you don't do what I said you will do, and you must do, oh, don't try me, oh. Udoka, don't try me.
Father, I said what I said. I will not do it. Let me love who I want to love. I don't love Prince Ikem. It's Prince Ikem I love, Father. Let me love who I want to love, Father.
Okay, for Dike.
Father, I will not do it.
Dike,
I will not do what you're asking me to do, Father.
Can you imagine what's wrong with this girl? I'm telling you what to do. You're doing another thing. Moses sent people to cross the wall of Jericho. They crossed and came back with good news. I sent you to the palace for you to return with good news. You don't even care on Malaka. What's wrong with you? Okay, try me. Will not work.
Even may last only for a while. Kingship is not a do or die affair.
What are you doing here?
My princess, I brought you food.
I'm not hungry.
My princess, no talk am again. No. You see this food? You need this food to stay alive. Your mother, she's not talking about bringing you out from this place soon. Do you hear me? So you see this food now, eh? Take, eat am, finish am. If possible, lick the plate, join. Make you no be like say I take risk finish. They can't catch me. No let God know wetin I go resemble. Okay? So eat this food. I will get you water. Okay. Go on.
Joma, thank you.
Eat.
Ijoma, please, can I trust you?
My princess, you can trust me. Okay?
Please, I want you to get me pen and paper. It's very important. Please, okay?
That one is not a problem. When I come to pick up this plate, I will get it for you, okay? And I also bring water for you, okay? Don't worry, don't cry.
Thank you so much.
Oh my queen, why are you fighting this? Stop fighting what you cannot fight. Inugo, be careful my queen. If I'm a makuku naga wala wala nenuwa. Anya naga sansan na fukwaya. Cause whatever you say, na that you must reap. So be one, a stubborn fly, follow scope.
So you said your money is how much?
1.6.
1.6, okay. Oh, okay. Just take this one, keep the change, okay?
Ha,
Just
my
keep the change.
customer. Hey, thank you.
No,
You
mention.
always spoil me every time you come around. You always make me happy.
If I don't do it, you know, I always see each time I come to this shop, I see you, the way you hustle. I love women that love business, that know how to do business very well. Yeah. So I just say, let me use this one to be supporting you. You know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't bother yourself. Hey. Don't bother. No problem. Let me say tomorrow morning. Huh? I'll come around, okay? Just take care of yourself, okay?
All right, thank
bye-bye,
you.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you looking at my customer like that?
That guy? I think I've seen that guy before.
Yes, he's my customer.
Your customer?
Yes.
Do you know him?
He always come here to buy something.
I'm suspecting that guy.
You always suspect everybody. I beg you, come inside.
That guy.
Oh no. Time they say waits for no man. I don't have time. Crown me the Isiaka with immediate effect. Crown me. I want to sit on the throne.
Forget about sitting on the throne until the king is no more. You can only sit beside the throne for now. Yes. And that means until you are crowned the Isiaka.
And why are you wasting time?
I cannot do it alone. You need to call for a meeting. You need to have witnesses. I'll witness your coronation.
In that case, I will call for a meeting tomorrow. I will call a Che Ndoka and Icheume.
Now you are talking the action prince. Before you finish calling them, I am already here.
Like I said.
Yes.
Time waits for no man.
Time waits for no man.
I want to become the king.
No problem.
I can't wait to be king.
You're already there.
I can't wait to rule this kingdom. I can't wait to manipulate, illuminate Abia State first son.
My prince, the answers you seek, you shall find. All I want you to do is to be patient. Just be patient.
For how long? It's time I show these people who I am. I'm losing it. I
know, my prince. I know. But don't forget this saying. The patient dog, they say, eats the fattest bone. You see, when you find answers, all the answers you seek, I will not hold you back to fight for what is your right. You just will hear you ruin. It's as simple as that. But for now, just be patient. Be patient.
Ijoma. How did you know that?
Princess Natasha said I should give you this later.
Thanks.
I shall be on my way now, Prince.
From all indications, Ichenduka is a problem. Let me use this poison to settle him for good. At least go meet Chono ya anade Michi.
Mother.
Yes.
I don't want him dead. I want Ichenduka to be alive, to watch me wear my crown.
How? How? He has always been the problem. And he refused to take the bribe. He hardly attends meeting. So how can you ascend the throne?
Mother, I have my plans. I don't want him dead. I know exactly what to do.
Evil may last only for a while. Evil may last only for a while. Kingship is not a do or die.
And if you'd have allowed me to give him this poison once, not an end there, will not make progress.
Mother, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I told you that Onowu of a man is evil, but you never listened to me. Huh? That man, that useless Onowu has an ulterior motive that we don't know. You needed to have seen the way Ichenduka narrated everything to me. He made me to understand that there are levels to this thing. Huh? He knows the tradition. He told me how this thing works. I told you.
On the contrary, I only trust Onowu and no one amongst them. That man knew you cannot be crowned this Saka in the absence of the king. That was why he came to announce it. See that man? He's evil and shouldn't be trusted.
Oh, Mother, I trusted Onowu. I trusted him. Now I'm left with no option than to bring father home to witness it. Huh?
I believe it's the last option. That is better. Let's bring him home to witness it. Okay, boom, mad. After he's already a vegetable.
Well, my love, it was all as if they planned it all. Obviously, they have it all planned out while waiting for you to come back.
I had no idea. If not, I would have stayed back and fight them.
My love, there is no need for that. I am happy your father is alive and responding to treatment.
Yes. My sister told me through her letter that you contributed in saving my father's life. Thanks a lot.
It's nothing. You know, your sister is courageous and she took a bold step. Indeed, she's a warrior.
Thanks once again. I need a favor.
What is it?
I need a car.
A car?
I need a car.
When?
As soon as possible.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Son, how did it go?
Mother, didn't work.
Huh?
Yes. I tried to explain things to her, but she wasn't even giving me ears to listen. She was just doing her normal stuff. She wasn't paying attention to me, nothing at all.
Hey, what is the problem? Did you offer her some money? You know, money changes everything.
Exactly my point. I did. And you know money is not the problem. If she stated that she needed money, I would have given her even in 10 folds. But she said money is not her problem, and also that the king is like her own father. She cannot risk it all. She refused.
Something as if you're giving up already.
But I'm tired. Seriously, I am tired and confused.
You don't say you are tired! It's only cowards that give up. Don't give up. Think of something else for us to do. What next to do? If that one does not work, some other one will work. You're young man, be innovative. Think! I said think. Don't shake your head. It's in the head. It's in the brain.
I'm so tired. I need some liquor to drink.
Which liquor? You carry out small as you couldn't say some liquor. You go worry about. I said think. You're talking about something to put into your mouth.
I want to drink something, mother.
Come and drink my blood. Idiot. Hey.
Wow. It is very obvious to me that you are enjoying this place more than your freedom. What is wrong with you, Natachi? What changed? All you need to do is to apologize to Mother. Tell her that you're sorry and that's it. You will end all this rubbish.
I'm not stupid. If there's anything I regret, it's the very day I teamed up with you and them to fight Father and Prince Ikem. I regret it. I regret that woman fed me with her breast. I regret. Go back there and tell her that she has lost her beloved daughter. Natachi.
You are nothing but an integrated domestic idiot from the planet of Jupiter. You don't even deserve this.
What alliance did you stand with the doctor that made her deny us access to see your father? What did you do?
I will not answer that question, Mother.
You must answer that question here and right now.
And who will force me? You? I laugh in Chinese. You all think you're smart, right? This is just the beginning. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? To open that your stinking mouth to talk to me like that? Have you gone nuts? What is wrong with you? Are you for me or against me?
Mother, this is not the Natachi we used to know. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. I mean, isn't it that obvious?
It is crystal clear that she is possessed. But you see me, I will bring that demon in you and kill that motherfucker here and right now. Idiot! Are you against your family?
Which family are you talking about? Yes, I ask you! DK, the family that all they do is to plan evil. All they do is trying to kill their own father. But I, Natachi, I will not be alive and watch you all succeed over my dead body. I will not do it.
Really?
This girl has lost it. No, this is not Natachi talking. Not the one talking.
Mother, I told you. Something is definitely wrong.
The Natachi you all used to know is dead and gone. This Natachi here has no mother. She's motherless. She has no sister. She has no brother. All I have is my father, who you all are trying to take his life. But I, Natachi, I will not be alive and watch you all do that to my father. Never.
I begin you here before you fight that fight.
Stop!
Mother, let me kill this girl.
Let me handle this traitor. This girl is a traitor.
Her blood is already contaminated. Let me handle the traitor, because this girl here is a traitor. Brother, where are the guards?
I know what to do, mother. Let me deal with it. Come here. Get up.
You will not stop me. I will always tell the truth. You will not stop me.
You know what to say.
You will not stop me.
Move it. Move it.
I will tell the truth.
Hey.
Mother, I told you something is wrong.
What is happening to my daughter? Is this how I lost my child? Is she for also against us?
Something is going on with Queen and Ono.
Ono and the Queen?
Yes.
You might be right though. Because I've been seeing Queen and Ono these days. Like, every day.
So you're also suspecting them?
Yes.
I thought as much. I used to see her pass here every day. She used to drive past here. Sometimes she will park her car and use her leg and walk down to his house. As in, it's like every day she always go there.
Let this not be what I'm thinking of,
my dear.
Because she's committing abomination.
See, as I'm talking to you now, she's right there. And please, I want to beg you, let it not be like, as we discussed this, I don't want to hear it somewhere else. Like we did not discuss this thing now. I know we are just commoners. I don't want any trouble.
Don't worry. She know now.
Are you sure?
Which one is
Let it be a top secret, so.
My friend, it's okay. I know.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let me rush home. Let me go and cook for my mom.
All right, now, you know I trust you.
Bye bye.
See her. She's
Welcome,
just
man.
down there. Hey, good evening.
Oma, come. I've been asking for dry meat. Don't you have dry meat?
I have dry meat.
Please, I need dry meat.
How much all?
Get me 1,000.
Okay, I'll bring it. I'll be right back.
Pause. Tomato dey for basket. Boss, tomato dey for basket.
Who the hell does she think she is? No, who the hell does she think she is? She will remain locked up in that room until father comes back and decide her fate.
Yes, brother, please. You're very, very right in your decision. And every action you're taking, I'm not against that. I'm only pleading that you should please just give me this one moment. Let me go in there and speak some sense into her. At least let me tell her the truth and see the woman she calls her mom for who she is. Please, I beg you. Please.
No problem. If that's what you want. You have my permission to do so.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Okay, I'll see her now. Thank you. Thank you.
Mamone had Isa Japuala. Adione Isa Japuala.